it's Kit Kat and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be customizing a little pet shop. I'll be making a Galaxy Cat. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to push that like button and subscribe. So here is the cat that I'm going to be customizing today. The paint brand that I'm using today is called Crafters Acrylic, and I'll be using it in the shades Tutti Frutti, African Violet, and Tropical Blue. So let's get started with this video.